In today's video, I'm going to showcase some features of User Access Extended plugin for Beaver Builder. This will be part of a series of videos that I will be making to showcase certain features of the plugin. In this video, I'm going to showcase how to set restrictions on a simple team page. So to get started, I'm going to go ahead and activate the plugin, User Access Extended. I'm going to go ahead and lock the entire page down. And as you can see, all the elements on the page are now red, indicating that they are restricted from our client. And I just want to point out that I am using a default profile. And if you want to learn more about that, I have other videos, and I will be showcasing this in other videos in the future. But again, this is just using the default profile as a client. So now I want to have the client be able to come in and edit just this photo, or just this team member, I should say. I want to unlock this element. I'm going to open up the settings. I'm going to check all the settings here because I just want them to be able to come in and edit this heading, this description here, as well as this image. So I can use the check all or uncheck all, but in this case I'm going to check them all. And then I'm going to go ahead and uncheck the heading, uncheck the description box, and go back to the image and uncheck the image setting. So these three settings are the only settings our client is going to be able to come in and edit. I'm going to go ahead and save this. Now I want to add more team members here, so I'm going to go ahead and duplicate the column. Now we have 3 columns, and as you can see, because I duplicated the columns, if I open up another column here, or another call out, I should say. Yeah, as you can see, our restriction settings were copied over into the duplicates as well. That will save you some time there as well. I'm going to go ahead and save that. So now we have the page completely locked down except for these team members here, the images, the title, and the description. So I'm going to go ahead and save the page, publish it. Now I'm going to log off as an admin, and I'm going to log back in as a client. And we're going to see what the client will see when they log in. Okay, so now I'm logged in as a client. I logged off as the admin, logged back in as a client. And I'm going to go ahead and activate the Beaver Builder, again, as a client. And as you can see, I am not allowed to edit the title, this subtitle here. And the only thing I can edit as a client are these team members down below, which is exactly what we wanted. So let's go ahead and open up one. And as you can see, if I click on the General tab, the heading is what I can edit, and the description, as well as the image. So that is perfect. That is the only settings the client are allowed to edit on this page. Now I'm going to go ahead and cancel this. Now let's go ahead and just quickly change an image here to showcase how this works. Let's just go ahead and edit, and let's add this one here. We're going to set it this thumbnail to match the other settings. We're going to go back to the general, and we're just going to change the name real quick. And we're going to save the rest. As you can see, as a client, I was able to come in and edit the other team members. So as you can see, this is extremely simple in a foolproof way to set up a page so your client can come in and simply edit what you want them to be able to edit and nothing else. This will not only save you some headache down the road, but it also makes it a lot easier for your clients. When they can just come in and they know what they can edit, it keeps it simple. The settings are right there in front of them, what they can edit. There's only certain settings that they are allowed to edit, which makes it simple for them. They don't have to hunt through other settings that they should not be touching. So this is just an example of how you can set up a page quickly for your client to make life easier, not just for you, but also for your client. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, I'll be making other videos showcasing other features within the plugin. I hope this was helpful. Again, I am Dave Labby from BeaverPress. Thank you.